Greetings everyone, I'm Michael and this is Credit Kuri, where we talk about credit, finance, and investments. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a business line of credit in 5 steps. A business line of credit is a handy way to access financing as needed rather than receiving a lump sum payment, such as with a small business loan. Business lines of credit help you manage your cash flow, buy inventory, or pay for unexpected expenses. Better yet, you only pay interest on the amount you use, not the full approved credit line. While the application process varies depending on the specific lender, you can follow these general steps to get a business line of credit. Number 1, decide how much funding you need. When you apply for a business line of credit, you will have to determine how much credit you need. Available loan amounts depend on the lender, but typically range from $2,000 to $250,000. Because you don't pay interest on the full amount and only on what you use, it's acceptable to ask for a higher limit than you will likely need, as long as you don't get greedy and spend more than you can afford. If you need access to more funds after you receive your initial credit line, you can request a line of credit increase. Depending on your business revenue and credit history, the lender may approve this request or ask for collateral, something of value they can repossess if you fail to repay the line of credit. Number 2, check your eligibility. While there are several different factors that lenders consider, there are a few that are most vital, including credit history. Credit history illustrates the likelihood of you defaulting. While most lenders require a personal credit score of around 680, some lenders accept scores as low as 580 to 600. However, the higher your score, the better chances you have at securing a lower interest rate or higher loan amount. Business revenue. Most lenders have a minimum annual or monthly business revenue requirement. This varies depending on the specific lender, but can range anywhere from $10,000 per month to about $250,000 per month. Online lenders typically have less stringent revenue requirements compared to traditional banks. Time in business. Most banks require that a business has been in operation for at least a year or 2, but some online lenders may only require 6 months. The longer the business has been around, the more stable it looks to potential lenders and the lower interest rates you may receive. Number 3, research and compare lenders. Once you understand how much financing you need and your eligibilities, it's time to research lenders that match up with that information. Be sure to compare different lenders, maximum credit limits, repayment terms, minimal requirements, and APR ranges. Number 4, gather required documentation. Once you find your preferred lender, it's time to gather the necessary documents to prepare for the formal application process. This will usually include the following: personal and business tax returns, business licenses, articles of incorporation, personal and business bank statements, profits and loss statements, financial statements, business plan, building lease. If you're unsure what documents are needed, contact the lender before applying. Number 5, submit your application. Lastly, submit your application online or in person. Turnaround time varies by lender, and it can take as little as 5 minutes or as long as several days to get a decision. Your lender may also require you to provide additional documentation after reviewing your application. Common information your lender may ask for includes your name, business name, social security number, desired loan amount, loan purpose, business tax ID, annual revenue. If your loan is approved, a lender will send you a loan agreement to sign before issuing a line of credit you can draw from. In conclusion, getting a line of credit is a little different from a typical business loan. There are many different factors to consider before completing your application. That was our video. Do you have any experience applying for business lines of credit? If so, please share your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.